Hey guys, welcome back to Kamar Reaction for another reaction video. So I'm back, yes, still here with the group RBD, and I believe this is a music video that it was recently released for their song Siempre He Estado Aquí. So I'm curious to see what this video is going to give me. Someone was telling me about it and I was like, oh my god, I need to react to this because I really do like this song. Oh, it's like a 3D. Oh. Okay, 3D.
Desde febrero he vuelto a escribirte canciones. Desde hace tanto quiero darte explicaciones.
Ooh, Chris, that's Chris.
Con un lo siento quiero devolver el tiempo.
Oh, this is nice. I feel like I'm in space just looking up. Come on, Christian.
Lo bonito de la vida es que no olvidas.
Yes, this is so sweet.
Pero aunque se pase el tiempo, vuelve el viento.
Come on, Star Trek, Stargate, Star Wars. Estar aquí. I wonder if they use motion cam for these 3D figures. That's why the key. Wow.
Sálvame con ese corazón.
Tan solo enséñame un poco de tu amor.
Y solo quédate el silencio que aún hay tanto por contar y hay canciones que nos quedan por cantar.
Buckle up. Giving me so much with this episode. This scene is giving me Galaxy, Guardians of the Galaxy. So fast. See, that's what I do. Okay, I'm trying to see. Siempre to the key. Whoa, whoa, oh. Come through with the CG. Whoa, wow. Oh, is this hinting that they're gonna have? Are they? Is this a hint that Alfonso might be coming? Well, is this a hint? Because you know, before they end, there's a thing that said, you know, was this ending a hint that Alfonso, baby daddy Alfonso, might come back? I don't know. Keep me updated. I really do like that song though. I really do like the live version that they performed last year in 2020 before the year was over. All four of them. I don't know their name fully. I know Christian was there. I know Chris was there. I know Annie was there. Is that her name? Anne was there. I don't know her name fully, but the blonde hair one, the black hair one, and Christian was there. The redhead wasn't there because from what I remember, he's having a baby, or she had a baby, and Alfonso, baby daddy, was focusing on his acting career. You know, get that money, sir, because you're working. Seriously. But I really do like the song though. I really do like it. I really do can't wait to go to Mexico though. But you know, the coronavirus, you know, when I finally told myself to go travel, you know, you need to do some stuff. You don't have no kid, thank God. You're not in a relationship, oh, thank God. Nothing is holding you back, thank God. You need to go on vacation. Then the coronavirus happened. I was like, well, see, I should have kept my money, and I did. But I seriously can't wait for this coronavirus to be over. There's some concert I want to go to, J-pop concert, K-pop concert that's coming here to close to my area, and I really do want to also go visit Mexico. So that's always a spot I always want to go to, especially Cancun, Mexico. Of course, give me the sun, give me the beach, yes. But I really want to say this over and over. I really do appreciate it for everyone who's given me this recommendation to the group RBD. I really do appreciate it. For everybody else, whatever you guys want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section. I get to it as soon as possible. As always, who can do you besides you? I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.